Hello everyone, welcome back in another video. I am Abo and we are going to see our today's video topic is a packages. Package used in Java. So why packages are introducing in a Java? Before we are using packages, there that time we are coding. That time the all data or all packages, all classes and methods written in that our code are jumbled. That time there is not any feasibility to access specify code or specify method within that code. That's why they are introducing a packages. So basically, package is nothing but it is a collection of group of classes, subclasses, and interfaces. We can see briefly all of these things. So first, we are going towards there are two major types for the packages. That means how packages are created in that manner. So first, packages are creating like packages are default package by default default packages predefined and user defined. We can see this both briefly. First, predefined packages. Predefined packages means the packages which are before predefined packages means that the packages which are predefined within the our Java language. That means the Java code developers are creating some packages for the reducing the time and for the purpose of easy to accessibility. That specific method within the code they are developing or they are creating some specific default packages in a Java code. So what they are what are the different code? We can see some examples on it. So first package is that Java.lang. So there is a must that package is very important. In Java, we can call Java.lang or Java.language is a heart of a Java language. Why it is heart of Java language? Let's see. Whenever we starting any code, that time there is a if you are not giving any type of package, that time there is a presence of Java.lang. So Java.lang can support different types of systems, different types of processes within that code, and it can also having facilities like a system or it can having facilities to provide or support to the system. After that, we are going to our next package, that is Java.util. Java.util is one more most popular package in Java. That package should containing different types of methods which are including in a Java for reducing the effort of code, effort of a coder. There are some specific packages like we are using like a scanner type. With the help of scanner, we are accessing or we are collecting the data from the user with the help of scanner by using a scanner. So there are many types in a util package. After that, next is a Java.io. That means Java input output. We are using that package within this our Java code. Because of that, let's consider if you have to access any folder or access any code without going directly within that code, you are putting that address of that code, and you can easily access that specific file or specific code directly, and you can easily read or write or change that code directly by using input and output. That is our Java.io. After that, some more packages like Java.sql, Java.net. These all packages which are using for a web server or special purpose packages for the databases. After that, we are going to our next important point, that is access modifiers. Access modifiers are very must in our packages because all the protection, all the protectivity of a package or all the accessibility of the package is depends on their accessibility of the packages. So there are mainly four types of packages. These are protected, private, public, and default. We can see these four in briefly. Our first is a public access modifier. When we using a public access modifier, that time the data which is written in our packages, that data should be accessible within the class, within the package, outside the class, and outside the package. You can easily access that data from any other packages or any other classes. That data should be written within a public access modifier. After that, next is our protected. Protected means we are able to access that data should be accessible within the class, within the package, and data should access, we are able to access the data outside the class also. But there is one condition. That time we have to use inheritance case in the inheritance perspective for that case. We see what is meant by inheritance in our previous video. Inheritance means we are using a previous stored data for the using in for the creating a new data or for creating a new thing with the using or taking a reference from previous data. We can easily create. We can use an extend keyword for the same, and we are easily accessing that data which will be previously stored in another package, and we can easily access that data when we are using our keyword as a protected. We are using our protected access modifier. After that, the next one is a private. But at the time we are using a private, there is a only limitations to user or accessing the data within our package or within our class. We are not able to access that data outside the package or outside the class. After that, the last fourth access modifier is a default. Whenever there is not any type of modifier is given or any not specific any modifier, that time it get as a default modifier. So our next type of the next type of our modifier is a user defined. Sorry, not modifier. Our next type of package, that is user defined. Let's consider at the time any new coder is coding or programming some specific program. That time he have to use or implement their own package. That time he can use or create its own package with the help of package keyword. Whenever you write a package keyword in front of any specific word, that should be creating a new package, and that occupies some space, and that memory will be allocated for the packages. So we are using a package keyword for the creating the packages. So you can create any package name like a package.abc, package abc, package word, package name. You can create anything with the help of using a keyword of a package. After that, we are going to see some advantages of packages. The first advantage of package is that when we using a package, that time we are easily we are able to easily searching the specific method. That means we are easily able to search any method within the package, because we are setting the data, or we are setting the classes or subclasses or interfaces within our package in a set manner or in a specific manner. If you have to find out anything or any particular change within our code, that time we are able to easily access that specific code or specific value or specific element within that lengthy code. There is a lengthy code like 3000 or 5000 lines, but that time it is very complicated. If there is not any proper setting manner, that time we are able to avoid these things of mixing of that code with the help of using a packages. That is very much very important advantage of package. After that, next advantage is that package are having hiding facility. That means consider whenever is any server side or any website, that time the data should be within some secure manner. That data should not able to, we are not want to that data will be shared with the any other or accessible by the any other. That time we are using some specific keywords or specific modifiers for the same. We are seeing this modifier in a before that point. That with the help of that points we are easily achieve the security in this case. After that, next advantage is that data hiding, same like as our hiding the data. And after that, one more important point or one more advantage is that we are achieving a naming. We are able to achieve a naming conversion within that with the help of packages. So what is that? Let's see. Let's consider I have to create a class with the same name, but within that package I am not able to create that class with the same name. But if I create one class A and class B, that time I can use that same class name within class A and within class B. That time it will be, we are achieving that the naming conversion in this case. So we are able to achieve the same naming within the same package. Sorry, within the different by using the different packages. So that is the small introduction about the packages. If any points are remaining, we are seeing in our next video. So thank you.
Thank you for watching.